Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can log in on Amazon Prime Video account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel. So I'm going to be showing you the process through the website. You can simply open up your particular app and get started. Once you have done that, this is how the information interface is going to look like. Once you open it up, you can see welcome to Prime Video and Prime Video member sign in. Since we're gonna log in, that means we already have an account, so all you gotta do is sign in it. So now it will require us to sign in with an email. Go ahead, enter our email right over here. Once you enter our email, tap on continue at the bottom. Then it will simply ask you to provide the password. Add in the password. In case if you have forgotten, tap in forgot password. Simply reset your password again. Once you have gained a new password, add in the information, tap on sign in, and you're good to go. Once you've done that, you will be signed in, aka log into your Amazon Prime Video account right there, and you're good to go. That's how easy it is. The only option would be to, if in case you have forgotten your email or password regarding it, which will cause you the problem to get into your account. Other than that, this is how you can access. Hope this video helped. If you got more questions, let us know in the comments below. Now I will see you guys in our next video.